In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do HubSpot invoices. We'll start right from your HubSpot home, then move through deals, add the right line items, and generate a clean, accurate invoice you can send to your customer in just a few clicks. First, head to the CRM and open Deals. From here, choose the deal you're invoicing. I'll use a website design deal as an example, but you can open any active deal you want to bill. Inside the deal, find the line item section and click Add. Line items are important because they define exactly what you're charging for: products or services, quantities, and pricing, so your totals, tax, and revenue reports are all calculated correctly. For this example, select from the product library. The product library stores standardized items with preset names, descriptions, and default prices, which speeds things up and keeps pricing consistent. If your charge is truly unique, you could create a custom line item instead, but using the library helps maintain clean data and repeatable pricing. Choose the relevant product, in this case, a web design service, and add it to the deal. If needed, adjust the quantity or the unit price to match your specific scope or any agreed discount. Make sure the amount reflects your contract or proposal. When you're satisfied, click Save to update the deal's line items. Next, click Create to generate a document from this deal, and choose Invoice. Creating an invoice directly from the deal links your billing to the opportunity, keeps your revenue tracking tidy, and, if you use payments or accounting integrations, helps with reconciliation and status updates. Now carefully review the invoice details. Double-check the billing contact and company, the due date and currency, and every line item, price, and total. Accuracy here prevents delays, back and forth with your customer, and potential reporting issues later. Confirm any tax, fees, or terms you need to display, and ensure the invoice looks exactly how you want it to appear to the recipient. When everything is correct, click Create to finalize the invoice. At this point, you're ready to send it to your client for payment. Use the Send Invoice email option to deliver it straight from HubSpot. Personalize the message, make sure the recipient information is correct, and include a short note with the payment due date and any next steps you expect. That's it. The invoice is created and sent, and your deal is now properly tied to your billing. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, subscribe for more.